another secret is water. Okay. And now I'm talking rivers, lakes, streams, ones that have vibrant life, have plants growing along the sides. Okay. Everything is truly alive and happy. Okay. If you go and grab a 5 gallon bucket of that type of water, bring it home, and put that into 500 gallons of normal water and not city water, okay, we're talking good water, not full of chlorine or chloramine, then you can use that to spray on your plants and on your ground. And it's full of aquatic biology, which is the beginning of life on our planet.